This is a Betts Bay. She was built in '79 at Ballina Slipways. I bought it off Harbour and Lightridge when they auctioned all their equipment up in Sydney, and it's the only reason I had enough money. I worked full time on the Harbour Tunnel. We do salvage, barge work, push barges around, change buoys, nav buoys, and general work around the harbour mainly. She's unrestricted for 200 mile offshore. She's carrying 22,000 litres of fuel. She's got two 671s driving. We've done jobs with her in Kembla, Botany, Gladstone, and I live aboard most of the time. So. Well, that was presented to me by the American submariners that I work with in the Solomon Islands with Dr. Robert Ballard, the fellow who found the Bismarck and the Titanic. And we did the 50th anniversary of the Coral Sea Battle with sonar gear and recorded all the wrecks. So when they finished, the submariners presented that to me as I was the skipper of the vessel called the Restless M.
I think I was only about 20 when I first met Bill. And then when he bought Betts Bay, he had it at Marmont Cove for a while. Started working it up and down the coast, really. It's a really good vessel. It's very seaworthy. You feel safe in it. And we've been out in 8 and 9 metre seas in it, and we've come home. So that's the main thing. It changes every day. You're not doing the same thing day in, day out.
She's been great, punches above her weight. She's a good sea boat, and she's been in some rough conditions. I claim I'm only the protector of it because she'll be around for a long, long time after I've gone.